In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Safari downloads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your recent files in Safari and how to clear the list when you want a tidy view. First, open Safari on your device. It doesn't matter whether you're using a Mac, iPhone, or iPad, the process is similar across devices. Make sure Safari is the active app so the correct toolbar and menus are visible. Next, look for the settings icon inside Safari's interface. This is typically represented by a small gear or control style icon near the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your device and layout. On some versions of Safari, you may also notice a dedicated downloads control that looks like a downward-facing arrow. If you see that, it points you to the same place we're going. The key idea is you're accessing Safari's built-in area for managing downloads, not your device's general settings. Now click or tap on Downloads. This opens Safari's Downloads view, which shows your recent files in a compact list. You should see file names and, if something is still in progress, a progress indicator. Completed items will appear clearly, often with a small icon or status showing they're ready. If you recently saved a file, it should appear at or near the top. If nothing shows up, it likely means you haven't downloaded anything in Safari recently on that device. Here's what to expect in this list. Safari focuses on your recent activity, giving you a quick way to confirm whether a file finished downloading and when it did. This is especially helpful if you're multitasking or working with multiple tabs, because you don't have to dig through folders to confirm a download status. If you're troubleshooting a missing file, this view lets you quickly see whether the download actually completed. When you want to clean things up, use the clear option to remove the existing items from the list. This is great for privacy or simply keeping the view uncluttered. Clearing the list removes the history inside Safari's Downloads view, but it doesn't delete the actual files from your device. Your documents, images, or installers remain wherever your browser saves them, typically in your Downloads folder, unless you've changed that location. If you need to delete the files themselves, do that from your device's file manager. That's all there is to it. Open Safari, find the settings or downloads control, select downloads, review your recent items, and clear the list when you want a fresh start. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.